Cybersecurity jobs have been so rare.
It's literally of July. Stupid.
DSA is not about the language. I hope that you get into Google someday.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ramya. I'm 21 years old and I'm currently in my final year of BTech, which is very sad because I've been trying for placements from past 2 months because the market is very bad. Cybersecurity jobs have been so rare. I've given 2 to 3 interviews until now for the role I want to get placed in, that is associate analyst. We're gonna work hard, increase our knowledge base, stand out from the crowd, and I've been so unhinged from past 2 months. Like if you see here, like the calendar which I have here, literally of July, August and September literally evaporated like into thin air and I've done nothing. But we're not gonna give up, we're not gonna just cry, we're gonna take action. We are gonna reset everything and start working again. So that's the point of the vlog today. Try to fall back into the routine. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, before that, I'll be answering some of your questions in every video. There are a lot of questions, and if I do a sit down video, I think you guys will get bored watching it. Just me talking. Enough of talking, let's get into the video. So this is how my aesthetic table is right now. So I need to reset this. If you ask me why I love Twitter, here's why. It's literally 9:40 right now and I'm dying out of hunger. I'm making my breakfast right now.
What the dog doing?
Okay, so now I finished having my breakfast and I watched Harkirat's podcast. Now we are gonna shift from this to my white board. So I'm done with the calendar and my goals for this month. It's basically about my project and also me working towards becoming a associate analyst and also planning content and scripting content for my YouTube channel. Now I'm gonna go through my placement group just to see if any companies have arrived or like what is going on in the placement section. It's exactly for right now. It's been 2 hours. I've been studying my eyes out. So I just need to take a break and also I need to work out. I need to cook my lunch. After that, I'm gonna read a research paper and then also play some games related to cybersecurity. Meanwhile, I'll answer one of your questions. Okay, many of you have asked my LinkedIn profile. So just so that I clarify, I don't use LinkedIn. I feel that's stupid. So instead I use X, which is a very better place. Like people literally put out their work, genuine work, and I love how people are there on X. So I maintain my profile on X rather than on LinkedIn. Okay, apart from this, many of you have asked me my Notion notes. Even I have suffered in the starting to use Notion. It is very irritating, but somehow I have figured out after AI was introduced into Notion. So I'll make a separate video on how to use it. One more question by someone called B Diaries 2508. I'm really confused right now. I'm learning Python because I genuinely enjoy it and I want to get into Google someday. Okay, my plan was to do DSA in Python too, since I'm already comfortable with it. Okay, but people around me keep saying that doing DSA in Python is a big mistake. They keep telling me that only Java and C++ are the kings and queens for DSA and that companies don't prefer Python for interviews. It's honestly making me overthink a lot because I don't want to waste time on the wrong language. I just want to know from people who actually have experience, is it really bad to do DSA in Python? Should I switch to Java or C++? Please suggest what's best to do. I really want to make the right decision for my future. Help me. I think you have been misled because DSA is not about the language. It's about how you are improving your problem solving skill. If you follow some people who are at Google or who are interviewing at Google, they explain their interview process very nicely. So there you'll understand that how did they give their interview. DSA is all about you sitting in front of the interviewer and explaining your thoughts on solving a problem, and later they'll ask you to code. That time you can use any language, there is no restriction as far as I know. Please don't listen to anybody else, keep working hard. I hope that you get into Google someday, and this is for others as well. You do your research, you have internet. This is my workout fit, this jacket, and I'm wearing, how do I show, wait 1 second, I wear leggings, and this is my workout braid. So yeah, I always follow Grow with Anna's workout timetable. I just love her. This is me post workout, literally sweating, and I feel so good. So currently it's 3:30 and I finished my workout. I had my lunch and I took bath, and now we're gonna resume our studying. Firstly, I'm gonna do is read a research paper which is required for my project. I need to make points from that research paper because while explaining it to our guides and also mentors, we need to know the whole research paper because they'll ask us some questions regarding whatever we're using in the project, so I have to be very sure about it. So yeah. Okay, it's 8 p.m. right now. I finished reading my research paper and also had some chai and some nut cuts which my mom made. Now I'm gonna put up Kali on my Mac, which I didn't do after I switched from Windows to Mac. Start playing the game. Okay, many of you literally asked, oh my god, so many of you asked me what game I am playing. It's from Over the Wire. These people have curated some games. Each of the games are actually simulated for us to learn anything. Maybe Bandit, it is used for us to like learn Linux command, contact with the boat and all. And there is Natas, and that is web security, so I'll be starting that because I'm done with Bandit way back. Krypton is there, that is for cryptography. I think I'll just add the website in the description. Go there and explore. Kali is taking a lot of time to get downloaded, so I think I'll probably set up Kali tomorrow itself. Now I'm gonna cram through business lectures, at least business, and next I think it's marketing lecture, so I'm gonna finish that.